Peeps. Hello. So today I'm going to be making slime. My squishy that was on my bed just rolled away on the floor. Yay. So I'm going to be making slime. I'm going to show you all the ingredients and I'm going to tell you what it is. Okay. So I got I was just trying to clean the little spoon because I don't want other paint on my slime. No, it fell to the ground. Guys, it's not working out. No. Okay. So the first, oh my god. So the first item is a big glue bottle. And then I got yellow, orange, purple, red, green, blue paint. And then I also got shaving cream. And, and I also got activator. So, and I also got this and the spoon. So I'm going to be making two slimes. The first slime I'm going to be making is yellow. The second one is going to be red. Because I have no yellow and I have no red slime. So might as well make a big yellow and red slime. This is how my blue slime turned out when I was trying to practice. I call it the whale slime because it has a little whale inside. So I call it the whale slime. And I hope my red and yellow turn out that way. If not, then I'm going to scream. Okay. Let's do this. First, what we're going to need is some school glue. I used to think that you needed, I don't know why this is closed, but okay. I used to think that you needed glue, then water, then like the paint and glitter, and then the activator. But no, what you need is glue. You can add your little decorations like paint and glitter, then like shaving cream, lotion, things like that, and then activator. No water is involved. Like, that's good. Yeah, that's good. That's how much I put in. Let's move this so you guys can see it. Put it like that. Okay. So, now what I need is yellow. I'm trying to put in the yellow, guys. And by the way, this video is no editing. No editing. I'm not going to be editing this video. So anything that you guys like see that I say or I do, you guys will see it. Like if I do something wrong, I won't be editing. You're just going to have to see it. Okay, so I put the yellow in. You might not be able to see it. But I put the yellow in, but I'm still trying to put yellow in because I'm going to put shaving cream, and the shaving cream is going to make it white. So I need more yellow. Like the sun. This yellow reminds me of, oh wait, you guys can see it. But this yellow reminds me of banana ice cream. Because I love banana ice cream. Absolutely love it. Banana ice cream with M&M's. Shaving cream is in. There's the shaving cream. Look at that. Now I'm going to get the tiny spoon and stir stir it. Oh my, this is gonna be difficult. Okay. Hope this works. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my, oh my, oh my god. Oh my god, I just put shaving cream in the paint. Because I need more yellow paint. Okay. I'm putting it all in. Wow, this looks cool. You guys can see it from there, I believe. This looks super cool. Okay, I really hope this works out because this is my favorite. Oh my, look at that. It's so beautiful and yellow. It reminds me of like yogurt or something. Banana yogurt. Because it did remind me of the ice cream, but now like it's whiter, then now it reminds me of yogurt. And now activator. I might need to put in a lot. Oh my, that was like a lot. That was a lot. Probably overactivated it. Hope not, because this slime is really good. Yeah, I overactivated it. I overactivate so much things, but I have to take this out before it gets even more overactivated. Take all the activator out. How can I do that? I got jiggly slime right now. Bruh. I literally got jiggly slime here. I used a lot of stuff, and this is what I get. A jiggly slime? Well, the blue one actually turned out to be jiggly, but then it turned out, like, it was jiggly at first, but then it turned out to be, like, perfect when I let it, like, be played with a little. I don't know, but this won't stick together. The other one did. This just won't stick. This won't stick. I put too much activator. Next time I'm just gonna put a little bit, and if I ever need more activator, I can just put more. I found a shaving cream thing. I found a whole lot of shaving cream here. Oh my. Okay. Mix the shaving cream with the yellow. Stick! Like, it's sticking it now. But, like, okay, I'm just gonna play with a little bit. Bruh. This isn't working out. Okay. I'm gonna do a red slime. If this does not work out, then, wow. Then, I'm disappointed. Literally disappointed. I practiced and practiced and practiced, and this is what I go out with. Every time that I do a video, it never works. Only once it worked, and now it's just failing. Look at that scrambled eggs. Who wants scrambled eggs? Because I got scrambled eggs right here. Or some noodles. Yeah, this is definitely not going to work out. Because look, not even this little piece will stick. And it's so sticky. Guys, how am I going to take this off of my hands? Oh no, how am I gonna, because I can take this off of my hands because it's not sticky, but it is like not a good time. But how am I gonna wash it? And how am I gonna pause the video so I can wash it? I might have to throw this slime away. Well, let me play with it for a little bit. Yeah, I might have to throw this away because see? Scrambled eggs. Who wants scrambled eggs? Because I'm making some. I'm making scrambled eggs. I'm making it, but with my fingers. I'm making it, but with my fingers. And it's gonna be cold and watery. If you want scrambled eggs, just come and get it. Oh my god. I'm just squeezing this thing and then it just goes through like my nails. And then it gets stuck in my nail because I have long nails. Okay. This whole wall of scrambled eggs I can throw away. New name, scrambled eggs. Look at scrambled eggs. And you can literally see on camera that my hands are all watery. Look at that. It's like so shiny. Okay, I'm just gonna leave that there. But the problem is that now the spoon is covered in this. So I'm gonna have to wash the spoon, but I'm also gonna have to take out all the activator out of this bowl. So that's gonna be a mess. Oh wow, this did not work out at all. Scrambled eggs did not work out at all either. I put way too much activator. Yeah, no, I'm putting the scrambled eggs back in here. Putting all the scrambled eggs, not the spoon, back in here. Okay. So I'm gonna pause the video. Then I'll come back once I throw this away, this scrambled egg, and once I clean my hands, and once I clean the bowl, the basket. Yeah, bowl. So, yeah. And now it's on my nail again. Oh my. Look at my hands. Oh my god, I'm gonna fall. Look at my hands. It's all glittery. Okay. See you in like 2 seconds. Hello, guys. Okay, so we're back. Okay, so now I got slime on my arm. Not on my arm, my wrist. Okay, so now I'm gonna do red, like I got no red slime. Ooh. Okay. First, before I add the red paint, I almost did. It's already watery a bit. Okay, I was just seeing if it was good. Okay, so now I'm gonna do this. There's a bubble. Oh, there was a bubble. I have to put like a lot of paint, because if I don't, then that won't be good. Because it's gonna make it like probably pink, because it's shaving cream, so it might make it pink. I don't know. Let's see what color it turns out to be. Last time I tried to make red slime, well, it was on one of my videos that I tried to make red slime. It did not work out at all. Yeah, and this slime might turn out to be pink because it's like already a little like pinkish reddish. So once I put the shaving cream, it's gonna turn out pink probably. Now mix, 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 mix. Mix, 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 mix. I knew it, it is pink. I knew it, it is pink. Okay. You can still see the red paint, but I promise it is pink. 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 Ah! Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Do 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 do. Now let's put some activator. And as I learned my lesson last time, not to put too much activator. I swear, if I put too much activator, I'm gonna be so mad at myself that I'm gonna scream if this slime does not work. Please work, because I've been spending hard times on you, and you better work, because I've been wanting you. Okay, turning into primer slime. Can I take this off of here? Okay. I might start going in with my hands, but I kinda don't wanna. My dog's just here now, but I kinda don't wanna, and I kinda do. Oh my god. I might just go with my hands. I'm going in with my hands. I'm gonna regret it. Hey, I have a tiny spoon. Anyways, I'm gonna go in with my hands if I have a tiny spoon. Ah, ew. Not ew, but you know. Ew. I'm just gonna be like, ew. Eee. Oh my god. How do I take this